I've not been on live on YouTube yet. Am I live on YouTube now? Ah, I am now. Okay, sick. Sorry, people on YouTube. I don't know why it tells me I have to click go live, but anyway. So yeah, realistically, that daily candle should get down to 168734 as long as it doesn't break that high. Okay, so that's a good target to look at already. The daily target. But obviously, always have in the back of your mind that there is news here later on, and it's very, very big news. It's the biggest news you could get, really. Pound at the moment. 4-hour time frame. You can see in recent times the candles have been pretty slow, pretty small. That's fair. So let me just write this on here. This is the 4-hour candle here. There we go. What up, YouTube? Hello, Shawib. Hello, Joey. Hello, Daksha. So yeah, 4-hour time frame you can see is pretty small candles, pretty big rejection to the downside. So just showing a lack of volume towards the end of this Asian session. Take a look at the hourly, the 30 minutes. Yeah, you can see a consolidation, right? Consolidation. So let's mark our zones, right? Obviously, current support is here, 169,200. Could probably match that up with there as well. So that's probably the whole zone that we're playing with right now in terms of the support on GJ. In terms of where I'd want to take trades, yeah, I think the zone below is pretty choppy. So I think the next zone that I'd want to take trades on GJ are, yeah, more like down here, 168,573. But does that make sense with our daily targets? No, it's below. So yeah, I mean, in terms of the cleanest zones, that is the cleanest zone for me. We pushed down very, very quickly to there. Is it very, very far away? 100%. Do I think it's going to get there this morning? Well, no. Actually, if you look here, there's quite a lot of wicks as well. Yeah, I don't like this. So rejection wicks here. There's also another resistance there. So it's getting a bit choppy on the 15. So if I actually looked on the 30, what do I have? Well, we've got an obvious support down here. 168,153. If we take a sell below there, man, I've got a clean zone all the way down to 167,533. So for me, there is going to be the selling areas. That is the safe sells. 168, 149. Good morning from Austria. Ooh, Austria, very nice. Hope you guys are doing well in the chat. Ready for a beautiful day. It's going to be a while with the news. 2 minutes gold if closed above 30-minute resistance. Do you mean this current one? For me, this is consolidating pretty hard. It's been consolidating all day yesterday as well. I see what you mean though, maybe to get up to 2035. But what I can see for me on the 30-minute is a lot of wicks. There's also 15 resistance there. So I'm a bit cautious of this. Yeah. Because we're not getting that many closures below and above, I'm not being aggressive with it. I know we need to just remember to stick with the plan, stick with where we have the cleanest, the biggest pushes, and not get slaughtered in the fugazi areas. Okay. So in terms of GJ here, yeah, let's look at the hourly. So obviously we had this big push down and a big retracement. Seems to be quite aggressively bullish though above there, and every single time we come above there we do push 34 pips. So I think potentially you could, if you wanted, get a buy 860 to maybe get to 700. How does that look like on the 30-minute? Yeah, potentially to get to 720, which is right there. So potentially buys above to basically retrace the move it did yesterday, which is what actually gold did. Gold retraced the move, which is, it's been doing a lot recently. Sorry, buys above 169,870. I think gold's going to be bad today. Yeah, I think gold is just going to move when this GJ moves with the news. So there's my plan, right? Pretty simple in terms of it. Pretty hard ranges at the moment. You know, if you're coming to the charts in the morning and it takes you a while to you know get the right zones, then you know it's just a little bit choppy at the moment. Okay, a little bit choppy. Okay. Max, are you waiting for 30-minute on gold? No. This zone is chopped, man. This zone is very, very choppy. So let's take a look then at Goldie. Let's get this one over and done with. The daily time frame is closed bearish. Still bearish. It did break the high and not the low though, so it's still bullish structure, but it did close bearish. Mainly just because of that news pumping back down. So the daily time frame is here. Obviously, it hasn't got a bottom wick yet. Very likely it's going to make one. 4 hour, you can see the 4 hour is in consolidation. If the higher time frame is in consolidation, then it's to be expected that the lower ones are also. Like that. Okay. Hourly, 30 minutes. If you take a look here, what do we have to work with? Man, it's tough. It's tough. Every single time we get a big move as well, it's always with news. So at the moment, you don't know where the clean candles are because the only clean candles were when there was news. Obviously, we have resistance 2037. If you take a look at the 15, 2038 is where we start pushing above that zone. We've got a nice wick up to 2041. So, I mean, you could potentially look for maybe buys above there. Looks pretty clean on the 15, also on the 30. So I think safest buys would be buys above 2038. Yeah. Buys above. Today's price action is very difficult. Yeah, 100%. That's why I started a little bit later. It's not nice. It's not nice in the slightest. There was a W. Retested the wick. There was a retracement as well. That was alright. And that was the Asian swoop as well. Yeah, you might not have gotten this one because the neckline did close above, but didn't really come back down. That's a bit annoying. But that one made sense. Yeah, it faked out the it swooped the Asian lows again. So that one was actually not that bad. $20.39. This is also a res a little bit to the left. There. Yeah, it's all right. It's. You know, it was just when price was pushing down. I wouldn't worry about it too much. It's just made some retracement to continue. Yeah, I think you don't have to worry too much about that. I think right now, I mean, if you wanted to be safe, you could do that. But I think this is good. Morning, everyone. Morning. Good morning, everyone. So yeah, in terms of sells, man, sells are well gone. Sells on gold at 2013 because that's where we get the cleanest zone. And there's no levels here that I want to play with, especially from yesterday. Yeah, with this resistance there, so I think it's best for me to just wait for sells below here. Sells below 2013.748. Okay, and if we do get the sells below 2013, then yeah, I mean, we've got a good, a little bit of support there, but for the most part, even to fill that wick 2008, quite a quick drive all the way down to this next support, which is 2008, which is there. So yeah, that's a nice like 60 pip zone. Beautiful. How's everyone in the YouTube doing? How did you do yesterday? You take any trades? Did you take any of them? Hopefully the delay is better now. Hopefully the delay is better now. Yeah, try and check it. Hi Max, did you take any M's or W's yesterday? No, we didn't see any more later on. Yeah, we didn't. You don't like the sells below 2020? No. If you took the sells below here, you've got, yeah, you got 15 pips to get to that resistance. Then you got choppiness here. So no, I don't. I took a buy stop on gold and still lost. I forgot to delete the stop loss, stopped me out, then jumped to 120 pips. Oh, oh, that's a rough. That's an L in the chat, guys. We should have put an L in the chat. That's a fucking L. Oof. Oof. You took a. Was it on the news? What do you think about sales 2030? 2030? No, guys, you're looking at this way too. So let's just go back over here, guys. Right? Let's just go back. Let me turn this down a little bit. 2030. So if you're looking for sales below 2030 199, let me just put the horizontal line on 2030 199. So like that. Can you see why I would not take a trade there? Why would I want to take a sell there when there's, you know, support there? The next support is right there, which is like what, 4 pips away. Support, you know, rejection, support. It's for me, it's too choppy, man. Too choppy. Would you take that W on gold 30 minutes ago? This one here? Yeah, I would have if it retested the neckline or the wick, but it didn't. Did it do it on my terminal? Let's take a look. Oh. No, I didn't on my terminal either. By 1 pip, fuck. Yeah, that was a good one. Is today any delay? You tell me. Is there any delay, guys? Yeah, I think for gold here, it's really not nice. It's choppy, man. It's choppy. Not big promotion. Morning, Max. Do you like an affiliate link for Magic Keys or just go to website? Yeah, I've got you could use my link for it. So if you go to the Instagram, that one there, that just takes you to the website and it gives you something, I'm pretty sure. Or if that doesn't work, just type in SLM in the code. Stop loss matters SLM, and that gives you 10% off. 10% off of the Magic Keys, yes. Man, we were having some good chats yesterday. Where are people on today? Let's take a look.
What time did you go to sleep?
What time did I go to sleep? I went to sleep at... Actually, my watch can tell you. Oh, it's gone. I think I went to bed quite early. I think I went to bed at like around... I got 7 hours and 11 minutes sleep. So... What's that? 5:45.
Mine it says it's 7 hours and 60 minutes.
Oh, you got more than me. I think I went to bed probably like 10:30 or something. Yeah, I was knackered last night. Oh my god, I went try to go to the gym later on. Man, it is fucking busy. I was trying to do legs and I was waiting for like just a fucking leg press machine. Like, mate, this sucks.
So you asked yesterday how many sets?
Mate, it was shit yesterday. I mean, and also
when it's busy, you gotta ask how many sets someone has to do.
Yeah, that's true. And I was also fucking stoned as well, so I was kind of just walking around like, I'm just gonna go to the fucking sauna, bye. I just fucking sat in the jacuzzi vibed. Yeah. Won't bother going later on then. Nah, Ollie. Like I went like 5:30, 6. It was fucking awful. Yeah. Even I go in the sauna and there's just like billions of people in there. You're like, oh my god, it's so hot. I watched Evil Dead Rise yesterday. Wasted 1 hour and 30 minutes. Such a bad movie. Jesus Christ. Man, we were creased yesterday. Me and Kiki were talking about Mr. Raja Banks. Like, you know, the charts at the moment are pretty ass, right? You know, it's pretty obvious that they're ass. And Raja just isn't trading at this time. But man, the second that he comes back, I bet that day will be a fucking stinking day. Make sure to run up the stream likes, guys. Make sure to pop them up. Yes, sirree. Did Wixie take anything in Asian? Did he get anything? Ooh, there's a buy above.
4.
What?
Drop a like, sub to the channel, bro. Above the highs.
Did you manage risk?
Streak comes to an end. Let me update. For long. 26 pips. Minus 26 pips.
Ah.
Closes because we closed below this hourly range.
That was good. Yeah, hourly closed below the range. That isn't looking good. Closing below for 26 pips. That's a good. That was good. Look at that. He just saved himself. Good job. Shout out Wix. Shout out Wix. That's a W. That's a W management. Very good. Yeah, close after the 1 hour. Yeah, that's great. Great job. Great job. Great risk management. Very nice. GJW. Be careful, guys. This, you know, I know this is something you can see there, but it's not an obvious one. It's right now. It's just hovering. I think you mean like this one, but this is stretched out for a very long time, and it's not. You need one like gold that we just discussed before. Like that's a nice one. Shit's good. So yeah, I'll have to see in terms of the percentages of how much they're gonna put this up. 4.5% expected. So we'll see. We will see. How are all other streamers doing? Yeah, I mean, I was thinking there's not many London streamers now. There's like me, Dr. Dollar, King Abe, and maybe Champion every so often, but there isn't too many. Shout out Dr. Dollar, man. Shout out Dr. Dollar.
What was our range that we were in? Now we're...
He was speaking some facts yesterday. Actually, he's quite a.
So what I'm thinking, looking at the market
quite good wisdom for a younger person as well.
yesterday, which I did call
Younger.
it, chat. Put a W in the chat if you. If I did tell you guys.
Yeah, back in the day, Dollar was messaging me on Instagram. He was like, "Oh, yo, bro, like, you know, we should do stuff, we should collab and stuff like that, and grow our names and stuff." That was some good times, man. Back in the old days. Man. Oh my god, I just put way too much sugar in that fucking cup of tea. Fuck me. Oh. Yeah, it's a strong cup of tea. I barely put any sugar in, but that one, damn. Do we see anything in EJ? Yeah, let's take a look actually, EJ. Sorry, I didn't check it out. No, it's just choppiness again. Sells below here, that was nice. At 3 o'clock, that was a nice little sell, but might not have got a 1-to-1. No. I didn't see anything with EJ. Yeah, maybe take a look at 162. Yeah, it's just a little bit of consolidation. And that's why there's been so many M's and W's, right? So yeah, we did an M and W. Well, we did an M and W stream yesterday for March 2022, which was the war month, and it wasn't the best. Like, stop that, because we were looking and we were like, ooh, there's not that many. Also, and also it's quite volatile. Like you know, just be ranging 1 second, next thing it'll be pumping up in a fucking 1300 pips. And then when we looked at the data, because I forgot it was the wartime, but what I did is I looked at the stop losses. So if you look here, January we did it. Look at January, every single one, like, you know, the average stop loss there was what, 17 pips, something like that, 16 pips average. February, kind of the same, two big ones, 28 and 35, but the rest still very, very small, around 16 pips. And if you look at March, you know, the average was pretty high. We had a 38, a 38, a 60, a 54, a 47, a 25, and 24. And actually, if you look at every single one, really, the big ones, that one worked, to be fair. And the big one still worked, but yeah, so it was just very, very volatile. These the first three weren't really M's, they were quite choppy ones, but I wanted to show you how you've got to make sure it is a strong M and W in terms of the candles that are forming to make it. Okay, no wicks. There shouldn't be many wicks everywhere. It should be very, very strong, obvious candles, because you can get slaughtered. Yeah.
How did you do in March last year?
How did I what?
In your main account. How did you do in March last year?
Oh, I think it was pretty hard. I think maybe 8%. 7%.
Still good.
Yeah, April was my good one. March, I remember March being pretty hard. Yeah, just for the fact that gold was just, I mean, Raja was just popping them like he was literally just fucking quick scoping. Every single time gold launched, Raja would be in there, in that bitch, and you'd be getting like right at the high when it's about to push. Yeah. It was very, very hard for closures though, it just ran. So that was good. We'll obviously continue there in terms of April and May. But yeah, man, I've been pretty knackered. We've done so many sims recently. I'm fucking butchered. So many sims. So far in terms of M's and W's, even if you took this, there's still so many winners, which is nice. So yeah, I mean, we've still got, if you look at this right now, it's like the 11th, right? So we're like kind of a third in terms of days. So look at your May so far. Look at maybe the situation you're in. You're in some deep drawdown. You're near the break-even stage. You know, the whole part of it is learning from them. I think for me here, this month has been kind of just evolving into looking at new setups when it's just been ranging so hard. But in terms of them, I think I've been a little bit sloppy in the meantime. I think because we've been focusing so much on M's and W's, I've been maybe a little bit sloppy on my zone. So I think today here, putting some extra focus in. I think these are definitely the zones that I want to take when they come. But yeah, this is the painful thing. This is also a painful thing about you know, kind of just ranging at the start. It's just taking a win, taking a loss, taking a win, taking a loss. You know, it's kind of annoying. You're just making money then giving it back, making your money giving it back. It's not a vibe. You just gotta get onto a little bit of a streak over here. A little bit of a high score streak. Morning, Ricky. Morning, SK. Hope you're doing well. Percentage gain 1.76, but obviously including commissions, because they all have commissions. do the maths. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yeah. If you do want to get some commission backs, make sure to use Payback Effects. Payback Effects is a free way. I think you can use it on Blueberry Markets and on IC Markets. You can get 37% of your commissions back, which is fucking beautiful. 37% is a good, a good amount. It adds up. That shit adds up. I tell you that right now. How does it work? It just gives you 37% back. That's all you gotta know. You just gotta sign up, send an email to IC Markets, and Bob's your uncle. Can you only do it 1 month max, or like every month? Every month, Jordan, Tommy. Yeah, every time. You can withdraw once every 30 days, but the money that you collect is everything. Yeah. That's crazy. Yeah, it's sick, bro. It's sick. That's why I say, guys, make sure you fucking do it. Sweet, them losses don't feel so bad now. Exactly, man. Like, like when people go, oh, I'm like a minus like 0.3%. Like, yeah, I'm probably less now because of the fact that my spreads, I've got all my spread commission back, which is pretty cool. Pretty damn cool.
Morning, Max.
Morning. Hope you're doing well, my man.
How you doing?
I'm good, bro. I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, good, thank you. All good. I thought I'd jump on because you get a bit lonely on here.
Too right.
So
You're
I thought I'd jump
already.
on.
Where are you again?
Yeah, I'll get in. I'll get into work early to watch the stream.
Ah, nice. Love that.
So that's why I don't normally jump on. I normally just do an hour or so before everyone gets in, and then crack on with my day.
Getting your day in straight, yeah, 100%. Wait,
Yeah.
where do you live?
I live in Essex, but I work in London. So
okay.
yeah, it's it's a bit of a. It takes me about half hour to get in, but
Now.
yeah, I get in nice and early before everyone else, and then crack on from 8 o'clock and do my actual work.
Wow.
So,
fucking hell. What time do you go to bed?
not too early, to be fair. I go to bed probably like 10:30, 11, but I get up at 5.
Oh. Holy fuck. You need some coffees in the morning.
Yeah, I'm dedicated to the grind. That's what it is.
100%. Yeah, I think for me it's just the mornings, but I generally think I just gotta run to the shower in it. I think once you've had a shower, you feel so much better. It's when you don't go in the shower, I feel just a bit icky.
Yeah, I used to, when I'd get up, I'd always have like a coffee first thing, but I saw something, it said don't have coffee for like the first 90 minutes because then you start crashing at like 3 o'clock.
Yeah, you need like.
So I've stopped doing that.
Does it credit it back to your account or sends to your bank account? It just has its own like account, like on the website, and then it just says, would you like to withdraw? And you're like, yes, I would like to withdraw. Thank you very much. I would like to withdraw. Who took the gold buy stops yesterday? Because I know a lot of people did. I was very, very tempted to. The only issue is my stop loss would have been huge. I kind of wanted to make a nicer stop. Next week, going to London for a couple of days. Any recommendations? Oh, have you ever been before? First time, wow. It depends what you like. It depends what you like, though. That's the issue. I think. I'm actually going. Wait, I'm going to London not this weekend, but next. Recommendations for food. I love going to the Ivy Chelsea. That's a banger. I love going to the Ivy Chelsea. It's Dante will probably know more if he lives in London, Essex kind of area.
Where are you going next week, Max?
This week I'm going to Newcastle. Next week, the week after that, I'm going to London. Yeah, with Kaden, we're gonna go to see like a theatre and stuff.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, there's quite a few restaurants. It depends where you want to go in London. There's quite a few.
Yeah, there's fucking loads, isn't there? That's
I
the
love.
thing.
I like Japanese, so I go to quite a lot of Japanese in London, but it's not for everyone.
Oh yeah, like the proper like Oriental ones. Like, do you make your own shit and stuff? I want to go to them, like the Korean barbecue ones and shit as well.
Yeah, they're quite good to be fair.
If you use this referral link, you can get rebates and split it with you. Really good. Yeah. Gold, no commissions on Blueberry. Yeah, how are the spreads on Blueberry? That's the next thing. Because yeah, we've actually only taken one GJ. It's been a winner. So we've only taken one GJ this month. It's been pretty shit. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, let's take a look at this month so far in GJ. Yeah, it's been washed, bro. I mean, if you look at the first, this is what I always like to do. Just going through, seeing, you know, what you could have potentially have taken. And for the most part, obviously you had some bearish retracements here. 830 pushed all the way down, which is nice. How would you have got into that? I mean, maybe the closure below, but kind of already filled the clean zone here. Isn't the nicest. Range through the whole of NY again. 7 o'clock comes down, comes back up, rejects again, which is quite interesting, but none of these really close below the zone. Then we then start to push. This closure below there was okay. Top wick flip. I wonder why we didn't take that one. That one was okay. There's support. Was it maybe the rejection wicks? Yeah, I think it was the rejection wicks here. Tapping into this resistance there. Yeah, I remember that now. Kind of already filled that zone. Then it tapped it twice and it's rejected twice. Tapping this level here. So I was getting a little bit cautious of that. So that was fine. Then we obviously had a bit of a retracement. Then we continued down. Bearish. No top wick here. You fucking prick. There's also at 3 o'clock as well. Range. Bad price action the whole time. 130. This looks clean as a whistle, which it was, but it was also with news. Asian session buys played out, which is great. So that's one of my new setups that I've been looking at, that I'm back testing. Well, I'm actually forward testing, really. I'm kind of just doing it like this. So that was good. A closure above there was decent. Is this the one that we took? Nope. Why did we not take this one? I don't know why. I think I might have missed this one. But anyway, that one was good. Obvious closure above. Zone to the left. Clean. To at least 171. Bosch. That was actually a closure back into the range. That was like a fake out. That wasn't actually too bad, but I think there's news at 3 o'clock. Was there? Oh, this is because this is a bank holiday, yeah. So the bank holiday was actually the best day to take GJ this month. Range the next day here. Big push up. This was Tuesday. Nothing I would have taken out of that, really. Here, range goes back in the zone. Choppy. A little bit of a fake out there, but the 15 looked very choppy around here. And here we are. So yeah, GJ, there's been fuck all, right? I've taken fuck all, and I've actually taken one win from GJ, and there hasn't really been too much, so that's good. We'll go through gold in a second as well. But yeah, just one of the start of the months, right? 2 minutes, guys. Just go to the toilet. Max, if I sign up to payback effects today, will it only come into effect with future transactions? Yeah. No, it's not the past, only current. Yeah. That would be mad. That would be a big brain play. Fuck yeah. Yeah, that's the only thing about starting payback effects. She's like, oh, I could have done this literally 2 years ago and I could have saved so much money. Man, there'd be some days, especially like at the start of trading, like when you're just fucking gambling, and like you're looking like maybe you've like broken even for the day. You'd be like, profit £0, but then you look at your commission £140. You're like, fuck, fucking £140. You could just be bashing the lots. So yeah, you can get 35% of it back, which is pretty cool. What are you expecting for pound news? Just the same as last time. You know, an increase in rates. We can take a look just to show you guys what you can do. So you can take a look and see what happened last time. So let's take a look at the data, if I can here. Last time was March the 23rd. They're expecting the exact same amount of moves. So let's take a look at March 23rd and see. Hey, wow. See what actually happened. Okay, March 23rd. March 23rd seems weird. Why is it not the same day? I know, March 23rd, okay. So, March 23rd is here. 12 o'clock is here. Is that it? Kiko, I thought you said it moved loads. Am I getting the wrong one? March 23rd, 12 o'clock. Yeah. Making sure it is the right. Yeah, it is. Okay, so great. It ranges the whole time and then doesn't even move. That's nice. 12 o'clock opens here. It moves 40 pips upwards and then comes back down. Because why? Well, it's what is expected. So from past data, I mean, it's not going to do much.
Max, do you think it'll do much today, where they're expecting it a little bit higher?
Well, yeah. I mean, the forecast is still. The forecast is 4.5. The forecast of the previous one was 4.25, but the change is what matters, and the change is the same, 25 points. So I don't see why. Let's take a look and see what happens at 12:30 though, when Governor Bailey starts speaking. Yeah, just because later on at like the end at London close, we just start pushing. So yeah, that's great. Interesting. So yeah, GBP rates on London Open. No, the GBP rates are at 12 o'clock, so midday. So do I expect much volume before that, especially on GJ? No. Do I think the zones are nice in GJ? No. So it's just it's a day where it's a little bit shocking over here. But you've got to be able to identify it. That's the main thing. Give it OB below. You've got to be able to identify that. You know what? This is going to be quite interesting to try and take trades beforehand. Okay. How was the match yesterday? Oh, look at Djokovic. Damn, Djokovic is watching his football. Oh, what a fucking goal. Let's take a look at this goal. Oh, that's a stinking goal. Is that Dzeko? Man, fucking hell. He's a G. He's always there. He's always scoring. Mate, he did actually pretty well at City as well. That's a goal and a half, that. Wow. M on GJ. I see what you mean. Let's put this down there. An M on GJ. Let's take a look at the 15. Yeah, it's just, I don't know. I think it's a bit of a painful one. Remember, I'm taking the ones that are obvious for me here. There's the leg up. There's the leg down. There's the leg up. Then it came up again. It's you know it's. You can maybe count that first one as the M. That second one is an M there, but yeah. I'm taking the ones that are obvious to me. But yeah, I mean, any untested areas, no, already tested there, which is fine. But that's all right. The latency thing is fixed. Nice, good stuff. Yeah, I tried to fix that yesterday, but it's ultra low, so hopefully it'll be much better. Maybe some people can actually take the W that I took yesterday now. Oh yeah. Yeah, I was thinking of maybe getting some guests on over here. I think I want to put 10 pips daily on here. I think that would be fun. Getting another UK person in will make it a proper UK stream. That would be sick. I think I'm gonna ask 10 pips. But yeah, speaking to him, he's finding London Open and GJ pretty hard recently as well, and he's normally pretty on the ball with it, which is good. So it does show that we're just moving with the news at the moment. So yeah, let's take a look then at gold this month, just to go through gold this month and see what the score is. So this was the bank holiday. That was a nice fake out back in the zone, very strong candle. Might have been a W down there as well, that would have been cool. Big push up with news again, traces, range. Yeah, this one didn't close above. This one didn't close, but I think for me here, I'd be looking for buys with 1992 to get rid of all that, and then you've got the clean zone. Obviously, trying to make massive bearish push down. 3 o'clock, big news again. Range. Closure above at 4 o'clock. That'd be nice. Why? Because the left hand side is clean. So that was nice, but obviously 4 o'clock, like really, son. Okay, have our zone here, have a support, have a resistance. Buys above would have been great. Sells below, I mean, maybe the celery play there was decent. I think we did discuss the celery play, but from A to B there was only it's 27 pips. It's not bad. Wasn't bad. So you could have taken that one. What day was that on? The 4th? Yeah, I think that's the first gold trade you could have potentially taken there. The rest of the day ranged again, just range in that zone. 3 o'clock we pushed up. This is the Friday that I was ill. That's a good closure below. Why? Well, because every single time we close below here, we move at least down to, I mean, there's a little traffic there, but for the most part down to there. There's a clean zone. There's a clean, obvious stop as well. So that was great. That was kind of the trade I wanted to do yesterday, but I got my zone wrong. So that was nice. So 2 trades there. The rest, range, nothing there. Obviously, we've had M's and W's the whole time, and they've all worked, which is great. But range, massive push, massive pull. Yeah, so that's it. 2 trades really that have been reasonable.
Really worth the price.
3. I had 1, 2, 3 winners on gold. Yeah, and the breakout I got wrong there was a bit of an L, and then obviously that one I managed risk too early. So overall, I think it's been okay. You know, I've looked at GJ. There was literally not 1 trade you could have taken. Gold, there was 2. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this at the moment. You know, 4 wins in that market is not bad. GJ 30-minute fake outs. So 30-minute fake out. Yeah, it's faked out of the resistance there. Is it dealing with good price action though? And the zone, is the zone big enough? No. You're literally at the support already, or at a minus support there. Your stop loss is 18 pips. Even to fill this whole zone is 18, but for me it's nothing. 4 hours reflipping though, nice stuff. I'm not gonna lie, unless I see an absolute complete confirmation of GJ, I ain't taking shit until that news comes out. Okay? I ain't taking shit. Especially for the fact that this morning it took us a lot longer to mark our zones out to find the precise levels. Therefore, it is choppy. So I'm not running into this. Was that 5-minute M? Would have worked. So for people that looked at that M, yeah, it was alright. Did you base it on this M, Tom? The one that I talked about here? Or the other bigger one? I would maybe have taken the smaller M. Yeah, that one was okay. Look how tight this stop is, my god. My god. So there's the first M of the morning. I didn't really like it too much. Time to hit the gym then. Ooh. The gymnasium. EJ would have said it was nice. Yeah, it was a nice retest as well, eh? So the 4-hour reflip maybe breaking the previous low. The daily time frame coming down as well. 29 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream up. Like that bitch up. Closing 90% net. Yeah, right at that level as well on the 15. It's also on the 5 as well. Good job, good job. Look at EJ. Fuck, yeah. Right at 147 now. 147. Who sold GJ? Let's see. I think some people took the M up here. For me, it was a very tight stop, but it worked out. Stops can be gorgeous. Looking at EJ sells. I mean, it's at 147, so That's the first little boo-boo for me. Let's take a look then at the left-hand side. Rejection wicks here. Nah, fuck that. I'm not playing with that. You can maybe see that. Right, that's resistance. We've wicked to there before, so yeah, I mean, and then the zone below could be okay. It pushes down quite nicely, pushes up quite quickly, but yeah, it's a little bit further down. 820. At 820. It was a res plus Asian high. Yeah, it was actually Asian high. Yeah, it was. Oh, that was good. Yeah, I suppose it was at resistance as well, eh? Not bad, not bad, not bad. Look at that push. Fuck. How much did that run? So stop loss is like 6 pips or something. 30 pip gain, 1 to 5 risk reward in 4 5-minute candles. Holy. That's pretty good. M Gold, yeah, the issue is it's not at res, it's at support. So I'm fucking not taking that. Yeah, I don't like how when the M's form and they're not at, like, they're not been pushing up, they've been, you know, it's at support here. There's no room for it to fill then. But let's see. What do you think, Tommy Boy, about that one? For me, there, I don't think it's at, you know, a decent level. I think it's pretty rough. How would your stops be as well? 14 pips. Where would your target be as well? Like, yeah, it's have to go all the way down to daily flip. We are coming up to as well nearly the halfway point of this year. Fucking hell. Shit, I haven't marked called out. Let's see. So this one here didn't close below the wick, so you'd kind of want the body. Yeah, normally I don't put any sugar in my tea, but today I fancied a little bit and I just put way too much in. It fell off my spoon, really. I was like, oh shit. I was like, I hope it's not bad. And it was. Great job, though. That's a great area to take that trade off on GG. So that was nice, man. Good. Well done for people who took that. I didn't really like it that much, but I mean, maybe the second one was nice. I was looking at maybe the first one was like not the best. But no mitigated areas either. At Asian high as well. It's a tough one in gold. Yeah, it's just not high enough. But looking like it's gonna run over here. Look at that volume's coming in. 7:37. Got 20 minutes left for the London Open as well. Okay, I see you. I see you. Back down to support there. That's where your TP would be. So it would have worked out if you wanted to take that. Fucking hell. Coming everywhere, man. W on gold. Well done. Flavius, did you take it? So you can see it's coming towards 169. Is this going to break before the news? I highly doubt it, man. And if it did anyway in this zone, it's got a lot of wicks. So it's just a real hard area. Damn, I regret missing that GJ. Yeah, it was kind of nice. Kind of nice, eh? It's all good, Jackie. So it'll come. Don't you worry. Where would have been your entry in gold, Max? Well, it would have actually just been a little bit of a, just an entry around here. Realistically, what I normally say is if we close below the wicks, then I normally take the sell on the wicks. But because we've closed above it, then normally it's the body. So I would have probably missed that one. What is that one? Oh, gee, Legige. Oh, yeah. So this one, that one there, Flavius, we would not take. Why? I think it's this gold one here. Why would we not have taken that first M here? Because you haven't retested this level yet. Now we have. Now it's ready to go. New here, what up chat? What up chat? What up Ghost Effects? Hope you're doing well. Max, would you sell 2027.4? No. I don't like any of this zone. There's too many wicks that I've rejected. You know, if you need to remember that we haven't had the cleanest of days, so I need at least price to even make clean zones. Obviously, we can sit M's and W's, but for the most part, I'm wanting it to make clean zones first, and then we can take trades. So right now, I'm not really entertaining it at all. Oh yeah. Right, I'm kind of sick of this music. Let me pause that for a second. We'll play a little bit of we'll play 2 Calvin Harris songs to get us in the mood. Oh, I love this one, yeah.
I'm coming round and now my vision is so clear. If I could
I'll do girls as well, 'cause that's a banger.
then I would disappear. The love I get from you is something I can't change. And I could let
Bit of Calvin Harris for this summer, man. Let's get it. Just why can't I be? Can you play us any song here? Can you not hear it? Oh. Yeah, you can. Copyright infringement, yes. Max Gold M, yeah, it already happened, brother. It worked, but for me, it's not one that I would take. It wasn't really at a level I'd want to take it, to be honest. It wasn't at a high, you know. Mate, Calvin Harris is a G, man. Calvin Harris has got the hits, boy. Literally, if you just go on YouTube, Spotify and look at all of his songs, man. I mean, if you can play any song, or if you worry about strikes, yeah, I mean, that's the thing. It's just about the strikes, but who really gives a fuck? This is like a dream. Can you explain the M's and W's, buddy? I'm new here. Yeah, basically, it's when you have an M at resistance or at a level that could be classed as a resistance. You then get a M, so a high, a neckline, which is there, an extra high, and then you close below the neckline. You get the retracement, the retest. You take the sell there, stop loss above, ride to at least the next 5-minute low there and there. Comments, well, you need to make sure that price hasn't got any areas below that could be potentially of an issue. For example, untested areas. So, you know, price broke above here, already tested, so that's fine. And yeah, and also there's an order block there as well, if you talked about, actually. It's a good target. And yeah, you just take them willy-nilly. And they've got a good win rate. I'm fighting for my... Yeah, maybe a W on GJ later on here. Actually, look at EJ. Yeah, it's fine. It's right at 147, where it's rejected before. I'm not asked about this. You know, all I gotta do is look at the zone I'm in now, and if you're looking for sells, that's fair. But look, we rejected at 800. We made resistance at 800. We rejected at 800. We made support at 830, 830, 800, 760. So there's no clean traffic. There's no clean areas that I need to push. You can fit inside a memory, just like a flashback. What a tune
Can you stay up
for the weekend.
and blame God for looking too old? Can you find all that you stand for has been replaced with mountains of gold? You can't dream yourself
Kiko, where's your camera, lazy boy?
and swallow fear.
Where's your camera, lazy boy?
For the
Weekend.
next year. God, I can't do this anymore.
35 likes, guys. Let's just try and get to 100 likes. 100 likes now. Let's bash it out. As I said, if you get 200 likes, I know there's not even 200 people here, but we'll do a Magic Keys giveaway as well, man. Having a little DJ, waiting for this news to come out, man. Just joined. Are you in anything, bro? No, not yet. Not yet. Paying attention to GJ here because still have 15 minutes left of this hourly, and it could be a W. At support would be quite nice.
Max, you know this payback effects.
Yeah.
Does it? Will it give you commissions back for trades you've done in the past, or is it just
No.
moving forward?
Just moving forward.
Oh, fine. And what
Yeah.
do you get paid on it like monthly then?
Yeah. Even every day it shows you how much, like, you know, you got in your bank. There's some pending profit, and then there's profit available. Profit available, you can withdraw. You can only withdraw once every month, though, like once every 30 days. So, yeah. Normally what I do is just let it compound until I get, like, you know, $2 grand, $3 grand, and then just take it out.
Yeah, cool. All right. No, I've just signed up to it, so hopefully it'll be all right.
Yeah, good stuff, man. Yeah, you're gonna send an email to IC Markets, then you'll be good.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, it's pretty easy to install as well. Oh yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. So people in the YouTube, we are people in the mentorship, sorry, we are going to be starting a chess tournament. Yeah, that's gonna be the little tournament we're gonna do. Make a little tournament for chess, which would be sick. I just need to go say bye to Kate, and there'll be 2 minutes.
If I see a man waving, does this mean that I'm not alone? If I see a light flashing, could this mean that I'm coming home? If I see a man waving, does this mean that I'm not alone? No.
Why can't I realize I'm fighting? Oh, what a tune. Chess Day Tournament. Chess Day Tournament. That would be fun. That would be fun. Oh my god, that could be the next month's. You have to record yourselves doing a chest press. Yes, these are good ideas. We'll have to do loads of different ones though, because there's gonna be some alphas who just fucking whoop everything. But chess and chest is probably different, right? Someone who's clever is normally not the strongest, or maybe they're just both. Dante Willa, I'm calling now. No, and actually, what it's gonna be the chest day. It has to be your ratio. Like the best person is your ratio, right? Because that's fair, isn't it? You're bigger, you should do more anyway. But it should be the ratio of like how much you weigh compared to how much you bench. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. I'd still be shit for me. To be fair, I'm feeling quite strong on my chest at the moment. I was, you know, I'm repping out some naughty reps, but I still don't think I'll be near like. I get all the girls, I get all the girls. I like them black girls, I like them white girls. I like them skinny girls. I like them mixed race girls. I like them Spanish girls. I like them Italian girls. Free signals for 225 and above. What? This is the worst song I've ever heard. What? This song's such a G. I used to be like 12 years old fucking listening this into my bed and I got no girls. Yeah. Did it before. I get all the girls. I get all the girls. It's a fucking banger. You're not picky with your girls, my brother. Hey. Woman's man. This is the worst. Bench, deadlift, squat. That's a mixed balanced. Yes. Okay. Okay. My PR is. My PR is my weight. Wait, what? You bench 174 and you weigh 103. Fuck, I'm nowhere near that. Holy shit, 103 kilograms and you can bench 174. Damn, I'm inverted to that. Oh, you can't do it now. Fair. So I'll be like 92 kg and I might be able to do maybe 30s on each side, and maybe 2 or something. Yeah, I never done max. Ollie needs to come spot me. It's just annoying now because all these fucking M's and W's happen in the breaks. I can't really go to the gym like that. Which sucks, but anyway. Bye, love you. How many reps in 90k max? I don't know. This is the thing. I haven't gone anything higher than. I haven't gone anything higher than 75 or 80 by myself. So I don't, you know, I don't know what my max is. Yeah. I get all the girls, I get all the girls. So yeah, Goldie just sitting there at the moment. 8 minutes left. We'll do that competition and then we'll all come on stream and all be like fucking battered and bruised. Someone will have a ripped pec. We'll all be like in casts and shit, like fuck, I won. Broken ribs, yeah. Max USD GPY. I have no idea if I can't comment on any other pair apart from gold GJ. So just remember that. Got the fit, that's what ya. Max, watch GJ 3 minute and 5 minute. Yeah, I'm watching this W for me. You get to think about the juice. The only issue for this GJ is it's not really counter trend yet, but it's not at a 30-minute or hourly support. It's at a 15. Hitting the same day, clapping our hands. Max, do you use the same risk for all your trades? Yeah, all the same risk, 1.4%. We can. I'm gonna buy shoes and I'm there. Yeah, that's true actually. And that goes with the 15. We'll see. We gotta wait for these W to come to fruition. I'm gonna buy shoes and I'm ready. We can. I actually like the Calvin Harris songs when he's really singing in them as well. Alright, let's put this on. Dom was playing my music all days ago. That's funny. Was it yesterday actually?
I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. And I grew strong. And I learned how to get along. And so you're back from outer space. I just walked in to find you here with that bad look upon your face. I should have changed that stupid lock.
Right, I'm gonna check out of this thing now. I'm getting a bit hot. Back up on me while I walk out the door. I'm not gonna lie as well, guys. People who are in the stream here last year remember that there was a certain guest, Top Loss Matters. Top Loss Matters. Top Loss Matters may be coming back. I'm not gonna lie. I was feeling in this flat. It was rather hot. So Top Loss Matters may be back in the building. Def player love a bit of K back. Yeah, 100%. 100%. Mate, I think K should be given to everyone. Big rig matters, yeah. You're gonna have a look at Top Loss Matters. Let's see what I look like at the moment on the stream. At least he kept his pants on. At least he kept his pants on, yeah. With BOE forecast incast rates of 25%, how will this affect GJ? Well, from last time's data, it didn't actually do too much, so I'm kind of speculative of what will actually happen. Because obviously it's to be expected, right? They know it's going to go up 25 base points like last time, so we'll have to see. Fucking hell, look at gold. Bitcoin died in one minute candle. Yeah, it did, didn't it? Fucking died. Was it 1 minute candle? Oh my god, holy. Looking buff though, the belly's gotten smaller. That's getting better. You won't take the gold closure. There's no closure below my zone. That's the issue. Like, I'll just write on all the supports here just to show you that it's shit. So, I mean, if you wanted to, the sell below 2027 is probably the easiest one. Because apart from that wick, we push down. How big is the zone? 26 pips, yeah. But it's just playing in just fucking shit zone. How big would the stop be? 29. Yeah, that's alright. Thought you liked the gold. I thought you liked the M's Maxi. Look at gold on the 15. Yeah, a 15 I haven't back tested, but the 5 was okay. But I didn't really like how it's. I mean, looking there actually kind of looks like it is at res now actually. But anyway, I would have want to have gotten to this one when it touched the neckline there. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, I don't think I like this W. Yeah, GG. Start of the hourly, eh? Look how clean it was. Yeah, it was nice, man. It was good. It was good. Open up your heart, what do you feel? And that one on GJ was nice as well, man. A lot. GJ making the top wick. Close on 50-minute support. World, hold on. Yeah, 30-minute did close below, that's true. 15 didn't, which is a bit annoying. I like them normally corresponding together, but break of the low. For me, I like, I always check with if the 15's closed below as well, and it hasn't, so, and it's rejected there before, so it's okay. But yeah, the 30 has, the hourly, it's okay. Yeah, it's all good, it's all good. Love. Hold on. Max, what are your thoughts on ICT? No idea what it is. Hold on. Max, would this be a W? Also Asian buys? Yep. It would be. Don't. You ready for this, Tommy boy? Boys in England. Okay, so potentially when we get back to the retest over here, I'm going to take it. Not that average, you know, man. So can you see right now? There's no low wick. Already ran 7 pips. Fuck. So was looking at this. Needed a retest. Already pushed. I ain't taking it when it comes back. Now it's already giving me the drive. So beautiful. Pushed off. Great. Add to the collection. Just no retest, unfortunately. It closed above, so the neckline would have been there, the wicks, but yeah, just no lower wick. That sucks. Would you consider that as a clear W? No, but I think in terms of GJ, it doesn't need to be really. It's that support, Asian lows as well. I am a murderer. Yeah, I just didn't make it the bottom wick. And now, because it's tapped the previous, you see it's got very, very close to tapping the previous zone. It's, you know, that's where I wanted to take profits, really. So in that example there, your stop loss would have been 11 pips. You would have got 12 out of it, 11 out of it. So, good stuff. Another one that added to the bank. There's been fucking 3 this morning. Jesus Christ. Just no retest there, but first 2 are nice. See how this Goldie does. It's looking like it's got a lot of juice, which is good. But I mean, the zone itself is 27 pips. The rejection wick is tapping right now. So if you did get it in there, I mean, I don't know how you would have. Maybe just if you looked at the 30 and didn't really care about the 15, you would have. Your stop loss would have been there for 30. Yeah, you'd be coming towards that wick. You'd probably want it to just to drive. So I'd probably just go break even here. Hoping it continues. Because if you know there's a wick there that's rejected before, man, there's no point in you holding that draw down. Because obviously, if you see here, when it broke below, man, when it tapped here, it rejected all the way back up. So just be break even and rock that bitch down. But I wanted. Oh, look at that! Fucking hell, 15-minute, beautiful. For me, 15 didn't close below, so it's nothing. Ooh, if we ever get out of here. Fuck about that nut. Yeah, man. Look at this volume. This volume is good. Look at this gold. It's fucking nutted. Fucking shame the zones are shit. W's push really good, yeah. Would you have bought on the neckline at 215, or it would have been 215 on that one, Harry, because the candle closed above the neckline and the wicks, so I'd get in the wick there, yeah. Call that little moving Goldie, yeah. I think the volume was good, but yeah, in terms of closures, it didn't. 30-minute was based off, you'd be fine. And as I said there, going break even towards that wick, then you don't have to have the drawdown if it pulls back. You're in a trade? No, I'm just showing you how I would have done that one if I got in there. If this candle just closed below that little support, I would have been in there. But I didn't. Good use of 8 o'clock there. Would have closed right down at that support there. 32 pips. That's where the 30-minute support is, right? That's where you gotta close, man. What's next? Is the last M was a perfect M to trade on gold? Yeah, actually it was a pretty good one. Yeah, very clean, very easy to see. Yeah. Done for the day. See you later, iPhone. Yeah, maybe run us to 2022. You don't understand me, so why do you judge my life? Go on, Bitcoin, pump it louder. So yeah, now that this has touched this level here, there could be, the rejection now. Move on up, they're always pulling me down. Fucking hell, gold, man. I would normally take that trade on gold. So would yeah, the 30's alright, eh? Fucking 15 putting me off. Holy shit. That was a drop and a half. Cool, 30 pips in gold. Very, very nice. Yeah, I mean, the only thing that's logical for me to take that, obviously the M formation, which was fucking beautiful up there. Oh my god, it's only around 8 pips. But it would have to be based on the 30-minute. Yeah, maybe the hourly. Stand me. Yeah, I only have a bottom wick. No. So okay, we don't need to catch the whole move, 100%. You think gold will go down to 2,000? 2,000? No. 2,000 will not go down to 2,000. This thing is still very bullish. It still will be bullish. It ain't going down to 2,000 for a while, I don't think. Try not to think too ahead of yourselves in terms of that, right? You know, it's still very bullish. Just making a low wick, just tap in the support. Everything I try to do, oh, you don't even know me. Max EJW, I know, but I've never taken him on EJ. So I do not know. I do not know. However, there could be a W formed on gold shortly, and it's hit support, and there's a magnet. So lots of buyers at 2022. Yep. Oh yes. EJ didn't close above. Yeah, it didn't. Didn't close above the neckline. Feel right. The music sounds better with you. Yes, come back down, boy. Come back down, Goldie. Come back down. Make the W. Sorry, yeah, make the W. Get down. Bring us back together. Hey Max, it's a big ask. What was the song that you played with huge bass? We joked that it was the song of Margin Call. Ooh, I don't know. I don't know actually. You break even. Ooh. You're getting in low. On the 1 minute? Oh my god. Huge tune with a bass. In today's stream or a different one? Wow, gold did pay today, holy shit. Fucking 50-minute, man. It was made at 9:30 as well, so yeah, it's a little shit going on there. Gold testing the lows, yeah. Yeah, it's fine. It's not doing anything yet. Come on, gold. There's GJ flipping. So in terms of GJ, the zone below, yeah, there's a little bit of support there as well. And it's very, very choppy below, so yeah, I don't like these. GJ. Yeah, good on the 30-minute. Not on the 15. Yeah, the stop was good as well. But to be fair, my rules, I always look at the 15 and check that it's closed above or below as well, but it's one of them things. Bring us back together. Ah, gold. That was a nice move, man. Just fucking close below. The closures below are just fucking dead, man. You just gotta take it on the fucking M. Take it on the M, boy. Okay, Goldie's coming back down. Would you take it just place with the 30-minute closure below?
And look, if you look at the 30-minute close below, the daily had to make a bottom wick, which now made. The 4-hour was bearish, clean candles, you know. Like the daily had no bottom wick yet, so that 30-minute close, like, yeah, it's green light. I was walking over here and I saw it, and then I just started doubting myself. I'll just take that shit.
So look at that, tap that level rejected already. Daily flippers goddamn strong, yeah. I'm trying to wait for this fucking W. on gold there. What a bloody tune, man. This is Tunes Thursday. All good, like what Don says, if it drives, it drives, nothing gained, nothing lost. Yeah, exactly. But good stuff. Happy that other people did take it on the 30, but I just don't know, I've never... If there's a 15 support like that, I'd rather wait for another closure. But it's fine. I mean, what I look at here is, you know, the M formation above was probably the one, yeah. Let the music play. No, 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 I can't wait. So yeah, just waiting really for retest starts below to continue there and then there. Because we're at support and there's a good magnet to get to, which is there. And that would be good. I was expecting to do a pullback. Yeah, what for? Maybe the hourly. Yeah, the hourly top wick. Was this the hourly top wick? Yeah, it was all right, I suppose. Top wick wasn't too bad. Be interesting to see how this 30-minute closes on GJ, yeah. Because it's still respecting, it's still right at the Asian lows, it's got to close kind of below, but as I said, this zone is still pretty shit, to be honest. Begin, bam, 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 bam. Looking for a W in gold, yep.
Good GJ.
Ooh.
It's just sheer range, man.
I know. Yep.
I'm gonna wait until news comes out for GJ and I'm gonna do anything on it.
Yeah. There's just way too much traffic here. Look at that. Every single time it pushes down, it retraces, man. This is gonna be an interesting one. This 30 minutes gonna make a big top wick. Another chance. Oh, that's so easily. No, I mean there's maybe one there, but it's not an obvious one. So come back to retest this level here, that little wiki boy. But I think, yeah, I mean the initial push down, then push up, then the push back down. It was all right, but it's. Oh, I wanted it to come back down again. Possible yeah, but is it at a resistance? No, it's at a support, so I don't take them as supports. They seem to struggle. GJ lower then retrace and push back down. I don't know. I don't think it's going to move from that support. It's rejected numerous times, and it's got big news at 12 o'clock. 169 is right there. It's not going to be breaking 169 before I don't think this news. Why would it? I'd rather wait until the news comes out and then break. You get me? So yeah, just waiting for this to come back down and then do his thing. My God, Max, I haven't heard all the Calvin House tunes for ages. Yeah, man. That's the thing. Sometimes they get lost, you know. Francisco, what do you like listening to? What tunes?
Hey, stop. Fuck's sake, man. What did you ask me?
I asked you, Kiko. I asked you, what songs do you listen to, like, in the day-to-day?
Listen, to be honest with you, yeah, I listen to a lot of just like hip hop actually, but I do like being in the Zoom and listening to your music because it brings me back.
Yeah, like
it's like it's more relaxing, you know? I listen to a lot of like Lil Durk, J. Cole.
Yeah, I like a bit of J. Cole. Like a bit of J. Cole.
But it's not music that you listen to when you're trading.
No.
I just be taking orders like the whole day.
Yeah. Ship incredible photo. I'll put some on. We need to make this is what we need to do. We need to make a Spotify playlist for people to put music on in the Zoom.
Yeah, like trading music.
Goldie's gonna do it. Just didn't really give me anything that was easy already there. Crushing 100 lots back in your head. People in the chat, what is this song? You put it in the chat. What do you think it is? You should know what it is. If you guys don't, you haven't lived. Even this bit, you shouldn't. Well, a lot of people don't know this bit, but if you're a true party goer, you should do. Yeah. 2021 58 stop loss for gold W. 2021 58. Ooh, no, because that's the first push down. So it would have been like. It would be like there. But it's still not an obvious W. I kind of want this to come back down first, to be honest. Then close above. Then we'll have the Infinity Gauntlet. Meow. Insomnia, Stevie Boy knows it. Yeah. What about EJ? Yeah, EJ looks good, eh? Is Tommy Boy going for EJ? I might go for EJ. Never done it before, but why not?
You gonna take it?
Yeah, it looks very good, doesn't it? So I don't see why not. There's areas to come back. I mean, it's all pretty clean. Oh, we are at a support as well. We are at a support. Checked. I need to get some rest, yo. What's the sense? I confess. A mattress, yes, yes, it was me. I feel guilty. Inside, no lie, not even bread. Jam when the light above my head went bam. I can't see. Something's all over me. Greasy.
To me, it's very bearish and not clear support.
That's the only thing with it.
Look at the 4 hour. Like it still has a place to fill.
Look at that rejection is there as well.
Jesus, man, this song.
Yeah. What a banger.
Yeah, flashbacks.
Where's the stop? It's on the right shoulder. It's on the right bottom, right? So the stop loss would be there. It hasn't closed above yet. I need to sleep, I can't get no sleep. Yeah, I mean, the only thing is that there's not really much of a magnet. That closed above that retested. That's, yeah, it's not really a support. I think it could be kind of against my rules. That's the only issue. Yeah, this already tapped it, didn't it? We got very close. So I think out of all of them, if I'm not taking that one, I think it's fair. We'll see. But it's counter trend, yeah. As Kiko said, there's not an obvious support. It was further back, so I may have to leave that one. Because if I take that one, then I should have taken the gold one this morning and the GJ one. So, and because they were ones who were really with the rules. Whereas this one here doesn't really have a magnet, it's already kind of counter trend.
Yeah, you haven't really backtested EJ.
Yeah. Making me be sensible, friend. Keep going, making me be sensible.
Jesus, man. Another year, another 2 years of... I watched the one of yesterday, it was pretty good. The February one, I mean.
Yeah, that's good shit.
I think something I'm gonna do this weekend is look at, because you said March was a warm-up, so I'm gonna go look at it, and so let's say something like that happens again, how you could execute it on it. So maybe just impulse entries above ranges.
Yeah. Still holding it. Got myself up, big love until the morning comes. I'm actually gonna go buy from here. I think gold's gonna go back up. Yeah, I think the support here down here is very strong, and that's kind of why I want to get into this fucking buy. But I'm just waiting for it to retrace again. What a banger! Make love and listen to the music. Make Love by Oliver Chetnam. And this one's Room 5 remix, though. I think it's a bit quicker. Yeah, it's a banger, it's a banger. Oh, do you know why I'm putting ages A Vinci? I used to love this song. Do you think about me when you're all alone?
The things we used to do and used to be. I could be the one to make you feel that way. I could be the one to set you free. Do you think about me when the crowd is gone?
Oh,
So easy.
close above.
I could be the one to make you feel that
Gee, it looks awful here.
I could be the one to set you
So yeah, I'm just waiting for gold to do some retracing to make this next. Because obviously we've retraced there, we've tested it, so that's fine. When you come back down, then close above, then boom. Feel that way. It's a weak closure, but it's still a closure. But yeah, it's not with my rules. I don't want to stick way with my rules, but let's see if it works out. But it looks good, especially for the fact that the yeah, I mean the hourly has a low wick as well, which is fine. 4 hours rejecting like it did here as well, which is great. And obviously it's moved down so quickly, it suggests that there might have been some quick firing news there that it may want to retrace before this news comes out, so it'll be interesting. Right, let's change the music up. Let's do some OG. If the next one closes, yeah, it'll be 15 closes. Well, interesting. See, I am Wonder Mike, and I'd like to say hello. Red and the brown. So, kind of the same thing again, a big push, and then just price is just hovering at the moment. Hold my voice if I'm upon two friends alone. Down, 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 down. By the gods, I got to make bonds. I'm gonna read the wank. So yeah, looking like it's respecting, swooping the Asian lows here. I'm looking for a W on GJ as well. I think that would be pretty decent. Even though the price action here is a little bit on the choppy side. Like 10 to 20 pips is good. Any amount of pips is good. Especially recently, man. Any amount of pips is good. You just gotta... Yeah, I wouldn't worry too much about R to R. Just you know... Any sort of money is good money. I just... Instead of the R to R, make sure the zone is obviously decent enough, but... Don't just try and close at a 2-to-1 just to get that 2-to-1. Like, just close when you need to close. Close when you're at supports or resistances, you know?
Do you find this GJW very like big?
Yeah. I wouldn't take this one yet. It's huge. Yeah. I was thinking of maybe like, I don't know, one like there.
Okay.
Yeah, that was too big. Just the same, I got a little face and a pair of brown eyes. Hypnotized. 5-minute close and EJ. It's not the strongest closures, are they? But they're still closing above. Come on, Goldie, yes. Come down, yes.
Do you know about this song?
Not really.
No, you don't know shit. We have no gas. We have 4 miles in the tank. There's no gas stations. You don't know about this song.
How do you not know about this song, bro? This song is fucking beautiful.
You know all the words to this song.
I know. Do you know all the words to this song? Literally me. I fucking do. Hell yeah.
Bro, do you know how much I want to do that? Go in like a supercar, just fucking drive.
Yeah.
That's not. No one does.
Dum-dum-dum-dum. I do. Easy.
Wonder Mike. And Master G, they know all the words.
Master
and I know all the
G.
words.
Hip hip hoppy, you don't stop, rock it to the bang bang boogie, say up jump the boogie to the boogie beat. Now what you see is not a test, I'm rapping to the beat. The meat, the groove, and the beat. You're gonna try to move your feet. See, I am Wonder Mike, and I'd like to say hello. The black to the right, the red and the brown, the purple and yellow. Bang bang, the boogie to the boogie, see up jump the boogie. This apparently was one of the first. Apparently, this is one of the first songs that was actually started rap. Because these old songs in the background, like you can hear the background. This is from an old song, but then they just got some guy. This is actually from. Is it a Freak? Yeah, it's the Freak. Oh no, it's Good Times. Yeah, it's this song here. Ready? But then some dudes are like, you know what? We can just rap at the top of it, and it sounds pretty good. Look, this is the original. And then some guys are like, you know what? We can just rap at the top, and it's pretty fucking sick. Hold my voice up on the front, 2 friends along, and next on the mic is my Aunt King. Come on, sing that song. Rest is ending. Why? When I know to the knock to beats that I can't. Why? 6'1" and I'm tons of fun, and I dance to a T.
I got more clothes on Muhammad Ali, and I dress so
viciously. What a G. I got bodyguards again. So EJ looking like it's playing out. Did anyone get in? When was the actual closure? Yeah, I mean, stop loss was 16 pips. Up like 8 already. But not native speakers playing like 2. I will try as Max is also is going for it. No, I'm not. I'm actually not. So if you got in there, stop loss would be 14 pips, you're up 11, stop loss to break even. Fucking hell. Show pip counter? I will. way. I didn't get in. I said I wasn't gonna get in, I'm not gonna lie. But worked out good. Well done for people who took it. Another one. Why you not announced that move? We've just been talking about it the whole time. I didn't take it, but we were talking about a W, but for me, it wasn't really at a normal support that I saw, so I left it. So for me now, all I'm waiting for is this gold to make a lower wick. Sorry, to come back down here, make the second bottom, and then close above. In terms of any other trades that I want to take, yeah, it's, you know, GJ's just back in the zone, you know. Goes 8% and 1.5%. Nice, Karen. GJ, bro. Yeah, I mean
It's the GJ one. It's okay because we're a very strong support. But like, do you want to trade that? Like, it's 25 pip stop.
Was it actually? Yeah, it is 25 pips.
To the highest 21. I don't know.
How much is it up to here? Yeah, it's not that big, is it?
But if this 5 minutes flips, then you know it's gonna happen. You just, I don't know.
Yeah.
I already missed one move, you know. Listen, if you want to trade, just trade, you know. I'm just giving you my opinion, Fetty.
Came down at 740, so it's enough time. It is a W.
It
I think
looks
I would
good.
take this, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna fucking take this, I think. Stop loss is 24 pips, that's the only issue.
If it comes back
And reflips.
to the, yeah, to 169,284. The 15-minute also has no bottom wick.
Has no what? Bottom wick?
No.
Yeah, it doesn't. Let's go make one.
It does have mini.
So a buy stop would be at 286. Yeah, it's actually not a bad one, you know. It's quite a wide one, but it's a strong one. Now I fall my eyes now. I'm gonna put my stop loss like 0.74. I think like that'd be, yeah, it saves me like 40 pips. If this though closes like this, yeah, it's not. I mean, it's got 2 minutes left. Still got a lot of time to reflip. Stop loss is gonna be 0.75. Back to the daily flip, back to, you know, how is that on the high? Yeah, like 500. We're looking like in a minute's time, this ain't gonna close, so I'm just gonna wait. We'll watch it. But it'll be a buy stop, yeah, but looking at this 5 minute, if it doesn't reject pretty hard here, then not the best. Still no top wick in the 5. Buy stop on market, it's a buy. It'll be a buy stop, but I haven't put it on yet. I'm just waiting. Yeah, it's pushing down quite hard. This. No, it's not in yet, Harry. I'll tell you when it is. Broken the previous 5 in a low, coming back down to low, so we have to wait a little longer. Come on, Goldie. I don't have a buy stop on at the moment, Tommy boy. If this candle reflipped, the buy stop would be there, 290. Goldie, my Goldilocks. Yeah, Goldie just needs to just retrace a little bit further, man. Max cancel buy stop when this 5-minute close. Yep. Yeah. Rejected that pretty hard after that. 5 minutes left for this hourly to close as well. Look at EJ though. EJ flying. Look where it tapped resistance there. Previous support, so that's where you would have closed some. Do, do, do. Goldie, Goldie, Goldie. So yeah, I think this is still coming back down over here. 3 minutes left for this closure. It's going to be an interesting closure. So we got, yeah, 3 hours left until the news. 3 hours left. $72 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream. Had a good boogie today. Discussing a lot of things. That was an M at the start there, and GJ, you got to be fucking on the ball, and they're so early as well. I thought this one was kind of a support, but looking back on the 30 now, yeah, it wasn't that bad. It wasn't like it was our support. So the 4-hour flip, yeah, not bad, not bad. Why did you not take the 1 hour closure again? It was a clean breakout. Can you explain why you didn't take it? Because the 15 didn't close below. Yeah, 15 pissed me off. It closed right at it. That's the only issue. Looking back, obviously, would I have loved to have taken it? Yes. Was it the right time? Well, yeah, it was 8 o'clock, so yeah. Oh yeah, I fucking love. This is my favorite Michael Jackson song. Banger, banger, banger. So now it looks like an M on GJ. Yeah, it does. It's not at resistance, but it does look like a very nice M. Yeah, also 30-minute celery. The zone below is shite though. You say it's with the trend, yeah. I mean, you know, the M is there. See how it closes. I'm just a bit cautious that we keep on rejecting the support pretty hard. And there's also 169 there, so kind of it's why I'm not really asked about it. And an M on gold. No, it's not really anywhere though. It's nothing I care about. Max, wouldn't you say you wouldn't really want to go above an hour for the size of an M&W? Above an hour? I wouldn't go above a 5. Only do 5. Oh, an hour? Do you mean like the time? Yeah. Yeah, like an hour and a half, I'd say. When it's like 2 hours, it's just too much. It's not big enough. Like, sorry, it's too big enough. It's too big. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah, Daniel, I don't like it either. I'm leaving it. Alright. Support there, support there. Fuck no. Looking like it may start to range for the news. You need to remember, guys, there is new, and it's big news. Yeah, I saw that. Oh no, Joe, I'm monkey. Who's going for the W now? Have funky stuff. Nice. Look at this GJ, bro. Three minutes left for this closure. Looking like it's... Yeah. Oh, wow. Just ran all the way back up. Oh, really, little bit of Take That. Do people in different countries know Take That? Do you guys know this song? Bring it on, Mike for NY. Tell me it's made this feeling of insecurity. Right, I want to play that song again, original Nata. Makes me in the mood. Makes me in the mood to take W's and M's. Original Nata. Oh well, nothing for me this morning. We'll wait till later on. Thanks to the stream, Max. See you later, Scarlett. See you later. What the fuck is this GJ doing? Yeah, I'm leaving GJ alone. Way. Yeah, I mean, closure above. Yeah, no top wick. That's a bit annoying. Fucking nutty though. 20 pips, man. So in terms of today, I mean, there's been fucking M's and W's everywhere. It's just entering them, man. Sometimes I think I got put off because of the last sim we did, where a lot of them were a little bit on the painful side. But this one here, good job. Not bad. GJ, was there one GJ as well? Yeah, there. So 2 M's. That would have been the trades this morning. Not bad at all. But we've gone through them. As I said, it's a new concept that we're going through, so if I'm a bit slow on them at the start, that's fair, man. We're still looking at them, we're still going through them. And wait, and 2 on EJ? Oh yeah. An M on EJ and a W on EJ. Fuck me, that's 4 trades in 1 session. Holy shit. That's mad. For me now, this GJ's washed, absolutely 100% washed. Why? Well, because it's got news in a very, very short amount of time, and it's big news. How did you use fixed slots when it came to funding? How did you use? Well, my stop loss, when I was doing funded back in the day, God, I feel old, but stop losses were never bigger than like 15, 20 pips. So I just use a standard lot. Whereas now, yeah, whereas now, stop losses are rather big, right? A 15 or 30 minute closure is going to be around about 27, 25 pips. So much bigger. So yeah. So what am I going to wait for now? I'm going to wait for this news to come out, right? It's got 3 hours left. Do I expect we're going to probably range before then? Yes. The only thing that I'll probably look at is a W formation on gold here. If we get a closure above there, I'm taking it. But apart from that, there's something, yeah. Apart from that, we're all good. So thank you very much for coming on, guys. Had a great little fun today. But yeah, no real closures apart from maybe the goal with the 30 minutes, and just completely ignoring the 15. But I mean, it was actually made at 8 o'clock as well, much later on. So not bad, good stuff. High volume. You took the trade. Oh no, it was down here, wasn't it? Yeah, so sorry, down here. Yeah, 9 o'clock support. It's a little bit of a pain. But anyway, good job. Well done for taking it on. If you guys did take any M's and W's or found them today and just watched them, good stuff. There was one there. As I said, there was one there. And then obviously EJ had 2, one there and one there. So good job. Thank you so much for coming on, guys. We'll see you later. Peace out. Thank you very much. See you later. Kiko, see you later. Tom, see you later. Ryan, see you later. Davey, see you later. Everyone. Adios. I found I got the rest of 10 pips. Yeah, beautiful. Thank you, guys. Peace out. Adios. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. Great chats today. Just had to maybe execute a bit more. Those M's and W's are flying out. But yeah, thank you so much, guys. Peace out. See you in the next one. Adios.